It doesn't hit me that we're doing this right here, right now.
Today.
Hey my juicies, glad you could make it back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe and tell me where you're watching from in the comments below. Today you're gonna watch my very first mukbang. It's my first one ever. It was so much fun. I might start doing them more often. And I'm gonna be joined by Miss LUSION, a very funny, silly, and stunning drag queen from New Jersey. We've partnered together to review IKEA's signature dish at their Swedish cafe. So enjoy, leave a thumbs up, and bon appetit!
Are we rolling? Are we ready? Are we live? Hi everybody!
I'm Miss Shoes.
And I'm LUSION.
And we're here at the Swedish cafe.
Ooh, at IKEA, baby.
At IKEA.
Thank you to IKEA for having us out here. I honestly can't believe we're here either.
It is so much fun. This is like a content farm, so.
It's incredible. Everyone is genuinely so nice. We're gonna try some of the food. They got some wonderful stuff here for us. I'm gonna show the camera.
You know, she lost her phone and they're literally getting it for us.
We don't gotta put that in. Now,
look at this rainbow cake.
The rainbow cake, honey. They have it all Pride Month. You see it? You see it? It actually is delicious. That's for dessert. But you know, we had to come to IKEA. We had to get the iconic, the amazing Swedish meatballs. They little pride flags just for us. It's like so cute.
Do you see that little detail? You see it? Oh my goodness.
Look at that, baby. Scrumptiddlyumptious. Have you actually had these before?
Should I lie or should I tell the truth?
We tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth because we are...
What? Sickening.
Electric chair.
I'm gonna take this off.
Get more comfortable.
I can't get meatball on my bolero, on my Pride bolero.
Meatballs here
now. But look, do you see the look? It's giving IKEA.
I do love the look. It is giving IKEA.
Do you live for it?
She looks like she's an IKEA worker, and I'm the regional manager.
Yeah, she picks the uniform.
Hello.
She picks the uniform and pays my bills.
Oh, I look like Miranda Priestley.
Is that from Sex and who's that? I'm actually not queer.
I look like Miranda Priestley from The Devil Wears Prada. And you're Anne Hathaway.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna do
the vegetables,
the green bean salad. Yeah, because
Seriously,
I actually haven't had the green beans here before.
Okay, wait, let's do just like green beans and like yellow beans and like peas in it. They're actually good. Wait,
are these yellow peas? Yellow beans?
Yeah. Well, there's like other kinds of
I thought it was
beans.
pasta. I literally thought it was like farfalle or something.
Okay.
I literally
Is
look
that
like
the
I work
meatballs?
here.
Okay, wait. So the
crazy.
meatballs, I think they're beef and pork. I could be wrong. But I think you can choose. They have different kinds of meatball options. They have a
Really?
vegetarian one, yeah.
Okay.
But they're in like a little
She
gravy.
actually works here.
Yep. As you can tell, I know about food, baby. They have like the little lingonberry jelly. The lingonberry jelly, it's like made from lingonberry. I never had a lingonberry besides like from IKEA, but you know.
And you know, I'm not so much a food touching my food person, alien. But listen, when it's all this, when it's the lingonberry, the beans, and a little bit of that potato, no complaints.
Bro, I really can't lie. It's actually really good.
I know.
It's actually really good.
Who's lying?
It's actually really good. It's really good.
Can I eat the pride flag? Dip your Swedish meatballs in some of the lingonberry and then top it off with some of that gravy again and pop it in.
Lingonberry, fierce. She's fierce. She's really fierce. Have you had the potatoes yet?
I'm almost done with the potatoes.
Let me try the potatoes. You think I get the gravy too?
Get the gravy, get the gravy.
No, wait, girl. Please, actually, it's really good.
What I'm really a fan of is the macaroni and cheese. I feel like...
They got mac and cheese?
Yes!
Well, yes! I don't know what they put in the mac and cheese. I never had it myself. But like, the meatballs, I think they're beef and pork, but they have other options. They have like all beef. They have the vegetarian one.
I don't think they do.
They do have veggie meatballs.
Okay.
So.
But the beef and pork?
No, I'm just not convinced. I'm just not convinced.
Beef and pork, honey.
That sounds like a lot for a
Listen.
company that doesn't specialize in food.
No,
It sounds like a lot for them to like go through. Pause, because we have to clear up the meatball gate beef. So we looked it up, and IKEA does have 3 different types of meatballs. There's a plant-based meatball, a veggie meatball, and a pork and beef meatball. So that clears that up.
Honestly, IKEA does have some really, really fierce food. Like, they give me snacks sometimes. Like the little chocolate, like, they're like oatmeal cookies with chocolate in the middle. They are so, 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 so good. Honestly, I'll eat the whole thing in one sitting. You're not supposed to. That is not endorsed by IKEA. But LUSION does endorse eating a whole box of cookies because you deserve it.
And that is the tea.
That's the tea.
It's actually really good. Bro, we said it like 18 times already.
And she kept saying that she's not actually gonna eat all of it, and she's eating more than me.
I didn't want to eat anything in drag for obvious reasons.
Well, you see, this for me, this is my eating dress.
Wait, let's get into the drinks.
Oh, but okay, are you a red or a white girl?
Surprise.
Surprise.
That's
Oh, girl.
strong. No, I'm
No,
kidding.
girl, this is actually really fierce.
Which one's that one?
I think it's like pear.
It-
I actually
it
don't
is-
know. It's
it is
really,
pear. It is
really
pear.
good.
They just like everything they do here at the Swedish cafe is like is nothing normal. They always spice it up a little bit. So the mac and cheese, it got pumpkin.
I don't
The
know if
red
that's
soda is lingonberry.
It's lingonberry?
This is lingonberry.
Oh, and this is pear.
And this is pear. You go anywhere else and it'll be nondescript lemon lime sparkling soda.
Where else can you get pear soda?
Lingonberry.
At IKEA. And we'll switch.
Oh yeah. I love the pear. Oh, the pear comes through, mama.
This is elderberry, girl.
Is it elderberry? Raspberry.
It's raspberry.
Raspberry.
Girl, this is raspberry. This is so
Even better.
good. It tastes like fresh raspberry. It has that freshness to it, that zestiness. You know how raspberries have that sourness to them? That's not too sweet. And I like it because it's not too sweet.
I will say they had to say it for me to taste it.
I was
Like
like,
I
what
wouldn't
is this?
immediately think raspberry, but now that I know it's raspberry, it gives raspberry. Some friends,
Nice. Nice one, bro.
we're those kind of friends. We not only finish each other's,
Meals.
we finish each other's drinks. Okay, I'm actually a little full.
Wait, that's not the cake. We need to have
I
dessert.
know.
Wait,
I know.
see the cake?
Get into it.
The
Get
cake.
into it.
Wait, I'm not done with my meatballs yet.
Right, y'all.
I'm a growing woman. I need to put all my calories. I look so fabulous. You know, tell me how good I look enough. She's actually gonna beat me.
I'm racing her. She doesn't even know I'm racing her.
Race.
What?
You get them all in the same fork. That's not a tip for you. No, you know. Oh my god. Didn't finish that one.
Girl,
So fierce.
no, you're winning on technicalities.
It's real good, actually.
Finger licking good.
I know her.
I will say though, every time I come to the market, I never know what to get. Like with this meal, this would have been great with some mac and cheese too.
You
with
and the
some
mac
of the
and
chicken
cheese.
tenders.
She's a mac and cheese
Is-
fiend. She really, everywhere we go, it's always mac and cheese.
Oh.
Everywhere we go. Run me that mac and cheese. She's dying, she's gasping for mac and cheese over here.
I've had so much mac and cheese in my life, like I'm cheesy now. Cheesy, creamy, juicy, and delicious.
Oh my god, you're juicy and I'm delicious. Juicy and indelicious.
Indelicious massacre.
Oh, I wish.
Massacre. Okay. Are we gonna get into this cake now?
Wait. Look at the cake. Honestly, come on. Honestly, look at the color on it. It's really fierce.
How did they do this? This was so good.
Well, food dye.
It looked, I know, but like the
actually-
separation, girl.
You cut it.
Girl, you see how there's layers of frosting in between? Like, it's so clean is what I'm saying.
Oh yes, it's very nice and
Like-
neat, and it's really pretty.
Greatest British baking show worthy.
Here, cheers, Diva.
Cheers.
It's vanilla. It's vanilla, but it's good. It's like, it's moist. It has a nice like crumb to it. It's like, it's nice and crumbly, but like in a good way.
Crumbly.
It's short. So like when you bite into a cake and it like kind of like crumbles like moistly in your mouth, they call that shortness. It's the shortness of the
It's the shortness of breath. Oh my god. I will say, I would like this with a cup of almond milk on the side. And I would dip it in the almond milk.
they have coffee
But that's
here.
just me. You know I'm juicy.
Do you like the frosting?
It's not so sweet. I bought this dress today because I was dress shopping for my mom. And I was like, this dress is really yellow.
Oh,
Let me get it.
yeah, you really are giving the IKEA like
The IKEA fantasy. Come on.
Fantasy, and I'm
Come
giving the,
on.
IKEA manager fantasy.
You're giving stockholder.
Where's the Petruvian beluga? Honey, if we're really taking over, I want caviar on every menu in IKEA. Caviar everywhere.
Right. I was gonna do that too.
Like, ah. Ooh.
It doesn't hit me that
What?
we're doing this.
Yeah,
right
I know.
here,
Isn't
right
this
now.
like so? And I also kind of love looking around here. Not one single person is gazing at us like we're insane, which is a plus. You know, a lot of cool people come to IKEA, and this shows you that they are welcoming to literally everyone. They brought us in here today. They let us run around. They let us cause havoc, have a gay old time. But
It's
honestly,
nice and free.
it's free. Everyone is super sweet. Like, I've never
Gays
felt
and happy too.
gays and having a gay, happy old time.
Oh, this one is going in my hair now. I know this was just in a meatball.
Doesn't it have
Wait,
gravy
could I
on
get
it?
a napkin? Thank you. I'm gonna put it in my hair after I clean it. I'm actually full. I don't even want to
No,
get
I
up.
actually am really full.
My dad would take me here as a kid. Like, let's look at the airplanes. Like, this is so cute.
Sorry, I was distracted
Full
by these
circle.
bangs.
Oh,
These bangs. These bangs are.
get into it.
This
Get
is my wig. Look what she did to it.
Yeah, she said I could.
Yeah, I told her to take it. But honestly, you really zhuzhed it up.
Girl.
You really ate this.
Remember the first time it was like it looked
Flat.
like it was giving like a nondescript cartoon character, and now
It's giving fantasy. It's giving fantasy.
and now it's juice fantasy wear.
Generic fantasy.
Honey, generic fantasy. Can you like stay on that side? How are we ever going to be efficient roommates?
Girl, I don't know. He's eating all my food.
I'm gonna eat all her leftovers, and she's never gonna do the dishes. I already know.
Listen, just break all your dishes and come get new, beautiful, wonderful, cheap ones here at IKEA.
Kia.
We need more. We need more pear.
Keep them coming.
Keep them coming.
We need another round. No.
Let's go.
Yes.
Get out of here.
Strutting down the boulevard so sly. Diamond heels and lashes reach the sky.
I'm cheesy now.
I've always been cheesy.